In this video, we're going to talk about how to use reusable period pads. As you can see, this pad has wings on it, and they work in the same way as a disposable period pad. This pad has poppers on it, and instead of being sticky, what you will do is put the pad in your pants, wrap the wings round and fasten with the popper. With reusable period pads, sometimes it's obvious how you use it and which way round it goes. For example, this one has a fleece lining, so that's obvious that that is the part that faces up in your underwear and is the absorbent part. With one like this, which is all one colour, this one has a seam round the edge. So that signifies that that's the absorbent part and that bit needs to face up.